Hello. This is Zerapunky here with another unboxing. I missed the unboxing series, so I just wanted to make this one really special because I just completed that generation. So waited like for a long time. Like you already know from the title. So let's just uh, open this thing carefully. Okay, it's really protected. Thank God it arrived really quick. It's fully protected. It's really good. That's what I like things to be. Oh my God. It's finally here. Oh my goodness. It's wow. Marvelous. So just the first thing. Yep. Got this. It's like a freaking surprise thing. Freaking box. Like, oh my God. I feel like a freaking little kid. Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful. It's a console from 6th generation. I'm almost going to cry, guys. Can't believe I have one right here. My hands holding this. Wow, piece of gold, really. I don't know. Some of you guys might say like, "Oh man, it's just a piece of garbage." Bro, I'm from this generation. I'm from that generation, not this one. But what I could say is that, yeah, this generation is complete. My favorite generation of all times is the 6th generation. Is there something else? Nope. Not at all. Jesus. Now to play some good Halo. Some good Xbox original. Here you go. See it for yourself. It's complete. They record. You can see them. Yes. Guys, I'm about to freaking cry. Finally, I already got the Dreamcast, PlayStation 2, the GameCube, and now the last of the piece. Wow, this is I'm speechless right now. Um, I used to play with this with my friend AJ, and we had so much memories. I had a lot of memories with this, more than the Dreamcast and the GameCube. Um, but yeah, I'm not a Microsoft fanboy. I'm more Sony. I have to admit it, but this is one of the consoles that I respect from Microsoft. And of course, the I already have the 360 and the Xbox One. Well, not yet, but this this is a masterpiece right here. This is Microsoft first console. And what am I doing here talking? I gotta test this thing out and play some Halo. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. It's finally here, so you will see more gameplays of Xbox. Finally. Yeah, that 6th generation is just a dream. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. This is 4 minute, freaking 4 minute video. So yeah, guys, thank you. And please rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel. See you guys later.